am working on 3 real human skeletons. Everyone here has to take a class that kind of preps you on research. So I knew pretty much right away that that's what I wanted to get into. So I have EPSCoR funding, and I found out maybe about like a month before the conference that even though my research wasn't necessarily complete, I was able to present at the conference. So I had a month, a little less than a month I think, to just kind of get as much stuff as I could in order. And I was able to present, and I had a great time presenting. I was able to learn quite a bit. I was taking anatomy and I started working on human skeletons. So I think it definitely helped with that. But also, yeah, having a hands-on approach, I mean, being able to work on this and problem solve and figure it out, and actually just how creative it ended up being. I was not expecting it to be such kind of an art. I had to sculpt tailbones. My connections are pretty much professor-based. We have really excellent professors here. I'm working with Dr. Sathoff now, but earlier I was working with Dr. Baker a bit on some microplastics research. If you just talk to a professor about something that you're interested in, I think you can make it happen pretty easily.